petitioner and his minor daughter was seated inside the police station in front of the IO. Local club members and the particular the person, the Upapradhan, ex-Upapradhan, she is moving around the particular place of the petitioner house, and through different persons, they are practically threatening school-going girl, and she has to move to schools and all.
So far as the parents are concerned, victim you are taking care of, sir. Don't wait for the FSL report. File the charge sheet, and you pray for filing the FSL by way of a supplementary charge sheet.
Yesterday, your lordship directed me to produce the case diary, a copy of the case diary, and also with original with original lordship.
Investigation to put. Why are you waiting? Why are you waiting for charge sheet submitted? What are you waiting for? Everything to done. What more investigation? FSL আর কি করবে FSL এর 31 সবই তো হয়ে গেছে। I think your investigation is complete, absolutely. Very good. That part is all right. This is all right. This is one part. The other part is the allegation regarding who is this Poppy Dev?
Aunt of the accused person. Aunt of the accused. She was ex-Superpradhan of that particular area, and regularly the petitioner and his family is getting threats for the compromise. No, Malad, it's not just mere allegations.
So even if it is an allegation, you have got to
inside police station they were threatened.
এবার উল্টো করে দিয়েছি, এবার দেখবো। Investigation is completed. I have seen. একটু জ্বালা হয়, এটা ভালো জেরক্স দেবে তো জাভেদ ইউসুফ। কত পেজ নাম্বার 31? Don't delay the investigation. It's done.
I'm not delaying anything.
So far as the security,
I'm concerned about the
security
and security.
So far as the investigation is done, well done.
And I'm not on that. Kindly protect the petitioner and their minor daughter. Family is under threat, and local political leaders are threatening them every day.
We have posted the guard at her residence.
Accused is in custody.
Yes.
What more do you want to tell?
Let the life of the petitioner and his family be protected. I'm not asking anything more. And concern IO.
Where is the? You tell me the problem. I can pass an order, sir.
My problem issue.
See, investigation was concerned. I've checked up that
issue is that first the petitioner and his minor daughter was seated inside the police station in front of the IO. When they informed the IO said, whatever they are saying, just listen to them.
That was the initial day. Initial day when the subsequently FIR has been registered. Full and complete thorough investigation has been done.
Subsequently, my lord, a few days back, even local club members and the particular the person, the Upapradhan, ex-Upapradhan, she is moving around the particular place of the petitioner house, and through different persons, they are practically threatening. This is the condition.
You name some.
Poppy Dev. I have named.
So Poppy Dev is one.
Poppy Dev is the main person. Other person of the local.
But somebody who's not an accused, how can I say stay outside the jurisdiction?
Poppy Dev is the main person. She is doing all the things.
Have you lodged a complaint now? After the first day, have you lodged a complaint?
Madam, they went to police. They are basically illiterate person.
No, I understand that.
The father and the mother, both of them, their statement has been recorded before the magistrate. Before the magistrate, they have stated all the things.
We are denying the allegation because some persons are the neighbors of the.
Just one thing, let me see.
So, for my information, they have stated before the magistrate. Father and the mother.
The house of the.
No, one is guarded. Guarded means you cannot make the house a jail. Another is free movement out. That is also a right. Victims, family members have a free right to move also.
Stop that.
That you have not stopped. But if you have guarded the house, I've got no issues regarding. But regarding if they are moving and they are being threatened, that is another part of
Minor
it.
school going girl.
You understand? আমার দিকে খান।
Also take that care of the cat also.
কোথায় গেল? Parents 183 where?
112 to 114. Share the price. Last week, 100.
Yes. 112, yes. Me put it in.
That was my instruction.
I'm trying to find out, sir.
My instruction.
This particular role of what you have alleged of Poppy Dev is not over here. What is stated over here definitely is the accused has said is
From the yes.
on that we should not act against a person concerned. You try to understand.
But let the life of the
No, I mean, in case of movement, na, something must be there because how people can't only stay in the house. They have other activities.
minor girl, she is a school going girl, and she has to move to schools and all.
So far as the parents are concerned, victim you are taking care of, sir. So far as the parents are concerned, they must be having something. So at least give a protection to them. So they go to the marketplace because there is a flavor of this accused at least dropping the name of a relation of a particular political party along with a relation working in police. These were the two threats which were given to the girl. This is what is transpiring from the materials. So what I'm doing is that whatever you have done so far as the protection of the house is concerned is all right, sir. You know, village dynamics are completely different. So far as the parents are concerned, if they go out of the house, you ensure that some sort of security is provided to them, at least till the evidence of the victim and the parents is over. Up to that stage, you give that. And your investigation is practically complete. I don't know why charge sheet is. Don't wait for the FSL report. File the charge sheet, and you pray for filing the FSL by way of a supplementary charge sheet. Acha. Mr. Tiwari, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, has approached this court with twofold prayers. One, firstly, regarding the progress of the investigation, and secondly, regarding the security of the victim and her family members. Good stuff. One of the accusations made from the side of the victim is that they are being forced to compromise and not take a lenient step because of involvement of relation of because of the influence of the relation of the accused who has been arrested in connection with the case, and to that extent there is an accusation against the there is an accusation against the investigating authorities that they are not acting properly because the arrested accused is a relation of an ex-Upopradhan of the area belonging to the ruling dispensation. Petitioner complains that there is another child who is being taken to school and an atmosphere has been created which is not conducive for a victim's family, a- and the petitioner is being and the petitioner or his family members are being teased, threatened, and attempted to be coerced in a manner for which in future there may not be a possibility, there may not be any possibility of a free and fair trial. These are the two accusations. Full stop. Mr. Javed Yusuf, learned additional government leader, has produced the case diary. I have perused the statements under section 183 of the BNSS. The statement under section 180 of the BNSS, the medical report, and also other available materials which the investigating officer has collected. On a query from the court, it was responded by the state that they are awaiting for some other reports to come. Primarily, I am of the opinion that the investigation is at the final stage and the investigating agency should not wait for the time being for the FSAL to reach. As there are a number of witnesses to be examined and admittedly from the statement of the victim prima facie, it appears that a fear was instilled and thereafter the victim was drugged and there was sexual abuse. That being so, if the investigating officer thinks it fit and proper, she should be in a position to file a report under section 193 of the BNSS with a prayer for further investigation if further materials appear. Full stop. Secondly, is the issue relating to security. The Act itself, the POXO Act and its rules provides necessary safeguards be provided to the victim and his family and her family members. Mr. learned advocate for the state has submitted aid that on instruction that he has instructions that already necessary police assistance has been rendered at the house of the victim. However, state is directed all possible assistance be given to the family members when they go out of the home, so that they are so that the scope of any teasing, threatening, and or any type of attempt to coerce the petitioner is minimized. This the local police station would, on the request, provide an additional would provide additional security as they deem fit and proper till the evidence of the victim girl and the parents are over before the trial court. That's all, I think nothing more than that. Don't waste the case for good case, sir. Already materials collected. Don't waste the case. Achha, with the aforesaid observation, earns WPA 27580 of 2024 or is disposed of. Reports were submitted. Case diary so submitted before the court. We return to the learned advocate appearing for the state. Chalo, server copies.